Giuseppa with the pasta of asparagus,
pancetta, salsiccia.
and bacon and sausage, and her son, and they raised the pig that made the pancetta, the bacon, and the sausage. Ecco, buon appetito to everybody. Ecco, and Pino says, let's just eat the pasta. And Pino says, I bet that weighs a lot, and in fact it weighs a lot. Passiamo i piatti a te? Passiamo i piatti a te? Shall we pass the plates? See. Then she can serve. Buon appetito. And you know, in Italy, you don't wait till the others are served. Buon appetito means dig in. So whoever has pasta, we say to them buon appetito. And you eat right away.